It works where it hurts. You got this for me? That's very nice of you, Christine. I appreciate that.
Oh.
What the fuck is the matter with you?
Mom, I need a tissue.
Did that fucking shit come out of your mouth?
I need a tissue, Mom.
In your fucking nose.
No, Mom, give me a tissue.
You need more than a tissue.
Mom, give me a tissue.
You need sanitizing wipes. Oh, fucking shit. What the fuck's the matter with you? Where'd that come from? Your mouth or your nose? Fucking shit.